Hello friends, in this video, we will talk about life-saving commands that we can use to extract various data from websites into Google Sheets. First, let's create a Google Sheets Excel file in our Google Drive account. Our first command is IMPORTXML. This function is used to extract a specific XML or HTML element or an XML or HTML file from a web page. For example, you can use this formula to extract all H1 headings from the URL in cell A1. Let's try to extract the headlines of the news articles on bbc.com using this command. As we can see, the news headlines are written in the H3 tag. We will select the H3 tag, and this command will list all the headlines in the H3 tag on the page. Our second command is IMPORTHTML. This command is used to extract a table or a list from a web page. For example, you can use the following formula to retrieve the first table from the coinmarketcap.com website. I can pull lists from websites using this command. For example, let's pull the categories from our site, khcoding.com. Our third command is Google Translate. This command is used to translate text into different languages. For example, you can use this command to translate the English text in cell A1 to Turkish. You can translate multiple texts at once using this command.
Thank you for watching the video. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.